example B, or did you want this one? All right, let's go over this one. So we need to basically create a unique function. And if I can, then you just write why you can't. So I'm going to go ahead and graph the order pair vertex -3, 4. So I already have that on the paper. Left 3, up 4. There it is here in pink. And then I have a point 4, -1. Well, the benefit of having the vertex, everyone say vertex, is that I can actually draw the line of symmetry because the vertex is on the line of symmetry. Why do I want that? Let's write that vocab word. Line of symmetry, or AOS, axis of symmetry. Why do I want that point? Because that's kind of where your mirror goes. It's going to help you reflect the other points over. So look here. We're going to count to the purple line. Ready, set, go. So we just need to count 1, which means we just need to count 1 past it. 1. And this is what my graph's going to look like. Okay, now, it didn't tell me, it says to write a quadratic function. It doesn't say graph the quadratic function. So it gives me the vertex, so we're going to use vertex form. And if you have your formula sheets from the past, vertex form is y equals a x minus h squared plus k. The vertex is h and k. So let's go ahead and put that in there. -3. So that's my h, and my k is 4. Now, the formula does have a minus sign. So I have it here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is put in the the point they gave us, which is our x and our y. So x and our y. So our x value is -4, and our y value is +1. And you'll notice that the only thing, you went from a bunch of letters, 5 different letters, to no letters. So now we're going to solve for the letter A. Class, what's the opposite of a -3? So that becomes positive. And class, what is -4 plus 3? And -1 squared? +1. And then we have this +4. So I have 1 plus a, because I don't have to write the 1, right? It's 1a, +4. And then if I subtract 3 from both sides to solve for a, why did I subtract 3? Subtract 4, try that again. My answer is -3. Why do I want that -3? Well, it's now it's going to help us write an equation, and all you have to do is you're going to use the yellow and the pink. So all you need is just your a, h, and k values. So as I plug it into the vertex form, y equals my a value. Class, what's our a value? -3. And you can kind of cheat. You can kind of look what we did already. You don't need the x and the y values. The h value is a -3, so opposite of a -3 is a +3 squared, and my k value is 4. So let me highlight this in blue. This is our answer. And let's review what we did. I had to substitute in all my information to find out the a value. Once you have the a value, put it back into your vertex form, and then the only other thing you need is your h and your k value. And there we wrote a quadratic function for the given information.